Trying to determine if code 39E for a Samsung Refrigerator RFG298HDRS requires a full icemaker replacement or if there is a subpart replacement. Perhaps another way to fix. Manufactured in 2014.
Hello. My name is I can help you with your appliance question. I see you've been waiting a while. Did you still need help? 39E is a bad icemaker, as you know. Try to heat up the icemaker with a hair dryer in case ice has jammed the icemaker from rotating properly. If it still doesn't work, the entire icemaker would need to be replaced, I'm sorry to say. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Is there a method to clear the 39E error code or does it reset with time? I know the 14E is a total malfunction while 39E is an issue with one of the functions. Perhaps it will clear the next time it tries to make ice?
To reset the error, press and hold the upper right and left buttons on the dispenser panel for 5 seconds and that resets the error if the error has been fixed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.